Hello, I am Kushagra Gupta. I have been a student of CSO batch in FITGI Jaipur Center for the last 1 year. I would like to thank FITGI for the excellent support provided by them, which has helped me to get a very good rank in JEE and has helped me to improve my performance a lot. The best thing about FITGI was the small batch size, which has enabled me to improve my performance and the personal attention given to me to excel in my studies. Also, the great thing about FITGI was the material, the relevant material and the test series, which has helped me to analyze my mistakes and improve on them to increase my rank in JEE Mains and Advanced. FITGI has given me the platform to excel my level and my current potential to that level at which I can excel in any competition exam which I have attempted. The faculty at FITGI has helped me improve my performance and have given me personal attention so that I can excel in what I have done. FITGI has geared me up to increase my current levels of performance and increase my rank exponentially. Also, the test analysis provided by the FITGI faculty has enabled me to identify my problems, cut them short and increase my performance in the next test. Also, the various interviews organized, mock interviews for KVPY and mock classes and exams for Olympiads have enabled me to improve my performance and qualify these competitions as well. FITGI has provided me the right path to achieve success and I'm very thankful to FITGI for all that it has done for me. In my preparation for JEE, I have realized that the most important part of your preparation is being consistent and starting early. The early bird program in FITGI for class 12th enabled me to improve upon my mistakes in class 11th and to increase my rank. Also, the materials provided by FITGI such as GMPs and RTPFs are excellent revision sources on which you can build your revision and excel through them. If you target these study packages, you will realize the mistakes you have committed and you can improve upon them through these packages and go in-depth analysis of concepts and topics. FITGI faculty has been very patient towards me and has helped me to enhance on my topics in which I was previously weak. For example, I was not that good at organic, but the personal support given to me by the organic team at FITGI and the new test papers provided and the special CPPs provided for organic. Thanks FITGI for providing me the best possible conditions for preparation of JEE and boosting my rank and my confidence for these competitive exams.